Okay, stop. Before you click away, I need you to understand something. This is not a weird video. Close your eyes and imagine this. No phone, no dating app, no coffee shop to meet someone, no text message to send. You are standing in an open field 40,000 years ago, surrounded by maybe 30 people, and one of them just caught your eye. That feeling in your chest, that nervousness, that hope, that is exactly what your ancestors felt. And somehow, without any of the tools we rely on today, they figured it out. Today, we are going inside the ancient human brain to uncover how love, attraction, and mating actually worked before civilization changed everything. Here is something most people never think about. For over 90% of human history, there were no cities, no villages, not even farms. Humans lived in small, tight-knit bands of 20 to 50 people constantly moving to find food and water. Your entire social world fit inside one small group. Everyone knew everyone. Every argument, every crush, every embarrassing moment happened right in front of the whole tribe. And here is the part that should make modern daters very uncomfortable. There was absolutely zero ghosting. If you had an awkward interaction with someone at night, you had to sit next to them around the same fire the very next morning. No blocking, no ignoring, just unavoidable eye contact. Here is where it gets fascinating. In today's world, attraction is heavily filtered through looks, money, and status symbols, cars, clothes, followers, but ancient humans had none of that. Nobody owned much. A typical hunter-gatherer camp had fewer possessions than your kitchen drawer. So what made someone attractive? Behavior, pure behavior. Who shared their food after a hunt? Who stayed calm when danger arrived? Who made the group laugh around the fire? And that last one, humor, may have shaped human evolution itself. A famous study of the Agta people in the Philippines discovered that the best storytellers in the group were the most sought-after partners. They had more children, more social status, more influence. Think about that. The ability to tell a great story around a fire thousands of years before Netflix existed may have been the original superpower. Movies love to show cave women being dragged around by cavemen with clubs. The reality was almost the opposite. Among many hunter-gatherer societies, women had genuine freedom to choose and reject partners. Among the Juhowansi people of southern Africa, women frequently turned down men they did not want. Divorce was common, normal, and socially accepted. Ancient relationships were flexible not because people did not care, but because survival demanded it. If a partnership was not working, staying together made no sense in a world where every single day required cooperation and trust. Love in the ancient world was not just romance. It was a survival strategy. Here is something biology class never taught you. Human babies are unusually helpless compared to almost every other animal. A newborn horse can walk within hours. A human baby cannot even hold its own head up for months. This created a massive problem. Raising a human child takes over a decade. That is an enormous investment of time and energy. So the human brain evolved something powerful: emotional attachment. The feeling we call love is, at least partly, a biological mechanism designed to keep two exhausted parents from abandoning each other while chasing a screaming toddler across prehistoric grasslands. And it did not stop there. Humans also became cooperative breeders. Grandparents, siblings, aunts, uncles, the entire tribe helped raise children. Scientists even believe this is why human females experience menopause, something extremely rare in the animal kingdom. Grandmothers became so valuable to child survival that living longer after their reproductive years actually benefited the entire species. Here is the part I want you to sit with for a second. Archaeologists have found ancient burial sites where humans were laid to rest, holding each other. In some graves, evidence suggests flowers were carefully placed beside bodies tens of thousands of years ago. That means someone grieved. Someone stopped everything they were doing in a dangerous and brutal world to mourn another person. Underneath everything, the smartphones, the dating apps, the perfectly curated profiles, your brain is still running 40,000-year-old software. Confidence still signals competence. Humor still signals intelligence. Kindness still signals reliability. The tools changed. The feelings never did.